Today we're going to talk again about healthy choices, and this is how we prepare our food. You can have a great protein that does not have significant amounts of fat, and then the question is, how do you prepare it? Do you bake it? Do you fry it? Now, no one is going to deny that certain fried foods are just amazing to eat, but we also have to recognize that they're often a little less healthy than preparing food in a different way. So if you're going to prepare a protein, it's important that you think about how you're going to do it. And if you have the option to bake it as opposed to deep frying it, you may find that the same healthy protein becomes even healthier. You can take food that's very healthy and then turn it into something less healthy based on how you prepare it. So it's important that if you're picking the right food, that you also pick the right way to prepare it. Think about options for baking over frying.